Software Spring. Presents. How to use Choose Rows in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on the Choose Rows function. Let's look at the topics of this tutorial. Intro to Choose Rows. Syntax and example of Choose Rows function formula. An objective of using Choose Rows function. Intro to Choose Rows. Choose Rows returns data from specified rows of an array. Choose Rows can return data from consecutive or non-consecutive rows. Choose Rows can extract data, for example, from row 2 and row 5. Syntax and example of Choose Rows function formula. Here are examples. Array is the range with one or more rows. Row num 1, row num 2, etc. are the rows from which to extract the data. Row num 1 and others can be, for example, a hard-coded number, a cell address, or a function that returns a number. An objective of using Choose Rows function. To extract data from row 2, 3, and 5 of an array. Okay, we are ready to type the Choose Rows function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, CHO, and select Choose Rows. For array, select this range. Type comma. For row num 1, row num 2, and row num 3, type, for example, 2, 3, and 5. Press Enter. There you go. Here is the data extracted from the specified rows of this range. Quick review. Choose Rows returns data from one or more consecutive or non-consecutive rows. The Choose Rows function formula is: Array is the range with one or more rows. Row num 1 and others are the consecutive or non-consecutive row numbers from which to extract data. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.